Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest scripts for grow a garden on Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can get this online, and later we will test together does it actually work. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys, and click on browse all scripts. So there you will find grow a garden. Simply click there and then you will get a page like this, account connection. So guys, we will have to connect our account to this tool in order to get connected with API. So if you don't know how to find your user ID, just click here how to find your user ID, or let me simply show you. So go to your roblox.com on browser and log in and go to your profile and just copy your profile URL. So in your profile URL, there is your user ID. So just copy whole URL and let's get back to the tool. So this tool will automatically paste only your user ID. Just click here and as you can see, it will only leave your user ID. Click connect account and it should start fetching our Roblox profile and you should get this user font and your name. So there we go, guys. And now, in order to get grow a garden scripts, we will have to get any executor into our Roblox, but don't worry if you have no, because we can import it now. So guys, if you already have Delta executor into your Roblox, just click yes. If you already have a different executor, just click I already have a different executor. I currently have no executor and now I will import the newest Delta executor. So click there and now it's most important step to select our scripts. So for grow a garden, so I will select Forge Hub, Nikius, Overflow and Soluna. These four are the best for me and I will click continue. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record more. So yeah, let's see. There we go, guys. API is successfully connected and our four scripts selected are ready. As you can see, we already got our activation key and now we will have to complete this bot captcha because there's a lot of malicious bot attempts. So guys, when you complete this, if your IP is suspicious, you will have to pass manual verification. So don't worry, it's pretty simple. Just complete 2 tasks. And let's see now, I will click I am not a robot and let's see, guys, will we actually get this? There we go, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Grow a garden scripts are imported to your account, guys. As you can see, our key is unrevealed. So let's open my Roblox now and let's see, does it actually work? We should receive 4 things, guys. First thing is Delta executor. Second thing is 4 scripts, right? So let's see. I will rotate my phone and then we will see does it actually work. So okay, there we go, guys. We got our Delta executor and let's see 4 scripts. There we go. Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius and Soluna, guys. We got it for free. Let's test, for example, Forge Hub and let's see does it actually work, guys. As you can see, it's loading and game detected is grow a garden. So we'll test now this small script. As you can see, you have literally a lot of options there. So you can pick up our, guys, as you can see, it has literally a lot of options. Player, ESP, no clip, Vox speed. Let's test this Vox speed. It seems fun. So let's minimize it. So there we go, guys. It's crazy. As you can see, it works amazing. So yeah, bloxforge.com is a legit website where you can get scripts for grow a garden absolutely for free and safe without downloading any modded APKs or software. So guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.